So you just got your Brother HL-L2350DW printer and you want to connect it to your Wi-Fi, right? But setting up Wi-Fi can sometimes feel a little confusing if you've never done it before. The good news? It's actually way easier than you think. In just a few simple steps, you'll have your Brother printer connected to your wireless network and ready to print from anywhere in your home or office. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the exact step-by-step process to get your Brother HL-L2350DW connected to Wi-Fi. Or, if you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, head over to your printer's control panel and just press the OK button. Now, using the up arrow in the control panel, scroll through the menu until you see Network option. Go ahead and open it up by pressing OK. Once you're in the Network menu, scroll down until you see WLAN and select it. Next up, hit Setup Wizard. This is going to walk you through the Wi-Fi connection process. Now, your printer is going to start searching for all available Wi-Fi networks in your area. So just hang tight for a second while it does that. Once you see the list of Wi-Fi network names appear on the screen, scroll through them and select your own Wi-Fi network. Now, it's time to enter your Wi-Fi password, and it's case sensitive, so watch those uppercase and lowercase letters. One wrong character and it won't connect. To type letters, use the up arrow button on your control panel. For numbers or symbols, just hit the down arrow button. Just keep pressing until you see the character you need. Once your entire password's been correctly entered, just press OK to confirm. After that, the printer's gonna ask you to confirm. Just select yes to apply all those settings. Now, just wait a moment for the WLAN to connect. Your printer is communicating with your Wi-Fi network right now. Once the printer display shows connected, press OK one more time and you're all done. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.